Today we're playing still a brain rot. So I steal this rainbow Mateo right now. So if I hit 1k subscribers, I'm giving this my rainbow Mateo for everyone who like and subscribe to my channel. So I'm just in my private server, friends. So I actually got last time when when I just joined here, the Coco Fanto already spawned. So I'm putting it in my upstairs so no one can steal this one. Guys, you finally see this is the admin brain rot only, but now they make it for the player brain rot now. Like yun. So ito yung index. So Mateo's now here. But I need to steal 3 Mateo to to do the ritual. You know that. But yeah. Still don't I wanna get this black hole gold. So what should steal in the private server? So I just steal this because when I joined the private server, public guys, I saw my friend that have too many brain rot god. Happy binabasik. So when I steal the when he steal that his other friend is stealing the secret, I actually steal his own secret. I mean Mateo. As my friend is have Mateo, so just gonna lock my base so no one can steal. If my Mateo got steal, I'ma crash out. Mateo. Mateo! 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 What if we put this in the machine? What will we get in the machine? If we put this. Added Mateo. Oh my god. We'll actually not get the Agarin La Parini. But that's the my I don't know. But I actually stole la baka last time, guys. Look. I stole la baka. Look. Diamond. Saturnita. And I steal this to my brother. Saturnita. Okay, so I even got this Agarina Palin. Yes. Ano na lang, I need this for my, okay. Never mind, I actually finally,
Basta maligo ka na ha. Kung natapos mo niya.
yes. Yes.
Gangster Futera. Svinina Bombardi.
Oh, that's Gorillo.
Gorillo Watermelon Drillo.
Isbina Bombardino. Isbina Bombardino. Bombardino Crocodile. Oh my god, I hate this game so much. Yes, I did that. And added, now why am I gonna sell this? I'm gonna add Gangster Futera. I got Gangster Futera, but my rarest now is the Rainbow Mateo. Can banana. Guys, so I'm giving that away that Mateo. If someone like and subscribe to my channel, okay? When I hit 1k, I'm giving this away. But I still don't have a Discord because I'm on the tablet. I don't still have a Discord, but the Mateo will make me rich this time. Yes. Mateo. How many money does he make? Oh, 500k per second. Not bad at all. Just like here. So I'm leaving, guys. So I think this is okay. This is the end of the video. But remember, guys, if I hit 1k subscribers, I'm giving away this rainbow mate. I still don't have a Discord, so you know that. Bye.